Okay, next. Oh, stinky, but okay. Okay. There are flower again. I remember this flower, but when I was little, I ever saw like this flower, and it's tastes sweet. And look at that, many ants over here. Okay. Mm. Oh, this flower is so sweet. And oh my, it was cherries fruit maybe, because it was sweet. And oh, sorry. And it here, look, another flower here, and there are many ants here. I remember this. Oh, we entered the trees. And what's this? Oh my god. It was a beautiful plants here. And I don't know why this the plants in the cemetery, for the example of frangipani and that flower, make us very peaceful here. Look here. And oh, jasmine's everywhere. Look at the ground. It was jasmine flower. It means that someone mourning here. And what's this? Oh, not scared again. Look. Look at that. It was a very peaceful. Oh my. Oh, look. This tree was very peaceful and it was another trees. I remember when I was very little, I mourned at my grandma's house, grandma's graveyard, and so peaceful over here. So at here we can see another leaves of what's this? Leaves, talas again or another leaves? Oh, it was kolganda leaves. In my house names, it was usually we use it for packing the foods, and it could be eaten, of course. So peaceful here. Frangipani was, and what's this? Leaves again. Another leaves. Don't know what's the. But this leaf was very beautiful, and oh look, they still grow like this. So funny. Oh my. Frank. Okay, let's continue our journey now